Now I'm going to change out the sensors on the block. Torque specs on this is 7 to 9 foot-pounds. This is the cover of the timing chain and everything. Camshaft sensor goes in here. .8 to 8.8 foot-pounds torque specs. Next, we're going to add connecting rod bearings. Make some good engine lube, some moly lube. You always know which way to put it because of the grooves. So, front of the engine, back of the engine. Make sure that when you're inserting pistons, that arrow is going to point to the front of the engine. Make sure you take some fresh oil, lube up the cylinders, lube up your piston real good. Lube down your rings. Make sure the arrow's facing the front of the cylinder. Connecting rod bolts set at 15 foot-pounds. And then turned 90 degrees. Alright, first one done. 7 more to go. So I just wanted to take a video and show you. I had some time ago got one of these cameras that you can hook up to your phone and you can put it down in. So I've got it ran down in the engine. I was having a hard time lining up this last journal in that last bearing. That's the cam. So by putting that camera down there, I was able to see what I was doing. It's not that expensive for one of those little cameras. I think it's worth it. So there are many scenarios or circumstances you could find yourself using something like that. Anyway, thought it was cool and wanted you to see that as well. Okay, so I'm sitting here preparing these lifters to go in, and I get all my new parts out, and first thing I realize is all 4 of these pieces that hold the lifters, all 4 of these new ones say front. On my old ones and everything you can find online, it's supposed to be 2 front and 2 rear. So don't throw all your old stuff away before you're done. What it would have done is it would have put my lifters in wrong sequence for this engine. Everything I read, everything I saw shows 2 regular, 2 MDS, 2 MDS, 2 regular. So I'm thankful I didn't throw this stuff away. Also, in these little holders, it only fits a certain way. So you can be confident when you go to put it in. The MDS ones, they won't fit in the side they're not supposed to go in. They only fit where they're supposed to go. In the regulars, see, it's very loose. It fits tight where it's supposed to go. Okay, so the timing, the new equipment, you can see, well, I don't know if you can see or not. There is a darker plate on that link, and then up here there are 2. So on this bottom sprocket. You can see there is a dot right there. And so when you put that on with that at the 30 degrees up, that dot's going to be on the bottom. We're going to line that dot up with this single link, that single dark one. This plate, you can see that groove right there for this top sprocket. Because our cam is at 12 o'clock, it's going to be straight up and down. Also, if you look down in there, let's see if you can see it. You can kind of see it's darker, but there's a little line, it's a little dash. And that shows that that is, you know, straight up and down. And so it is going to go on either side of those two darkers. So it's going to go right in the middle. Like that. So I'm going to put that on there. And the bottom one, get it on there, and we're going to put it on at the same time. There's not enough slack to go up to put these sprockets on and then run the chain around it. There's not enough slack to make that happen. So you put it on together. To show you, there's the little mark. Two darker links. Let's just look over here. You can see the little mark. Back there, a little dot on the sprocket, right in the center of that. 30%. Topped out on piston 1. Tighten that down. And we'll release the tensioner for that timing chain. Okay, something else that I watched on a video just to confirm that your engine is in time is put this bolt back on and give 2 full rotations. So cylinder 1 goes down and back up, that's 1, down and back up, that's 2. And no longer are your colored links here and there because they're offset, so it's going to take several rotations to line that back up. But after 2 rotations, we've got our little divot there that's at 12 o'clock again, and then this is back at 30% off. It's right behind there, you can't really hardly see it. It's so hard to focus on that. VVT valve, 25 foot-pound torque. I don't remember exactly what these are called, but they're little cradles that sit down on the hole for the solenoid, the MDS solenoids. So that's an actual magnet. And what it does is it helps if there's any tiny shavings that happen to be floating around in your engine and they get close to this metal or this magnet, it'll hold it. And then that cradles just to the edge of it, that screen once that goes in. So I actually had 2 of those broken, so I ordered a couple extras, or 2 more, to replace the broken ones. Torque specs for the MDS solenoids is 9 to 10 foot-pounds. I don't know why So I went 9.5 right in the middle. Never reuse head gaskets. Your heads will go on and they will only go one, like they'll sit right because of those guides that are there. So once you get it in place, beautiful shiny head. So on the back of each head there is a grounding bolt to ground the wiring and stuff out, and it goes to the back. Funny, you put these heads on and all of a sudden the engine really starts taking shape. Okay, so the 15mm bolts, you're going to start off at 25 and then go up to 40. And on the 10mm, you're going to start at 15 and then go up to 25. So this one is number 1. So. Number 2, number 3, number 4. Over here is number 5, number 6. Number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. In the center would be number 11. Again, this is 15. And 12, 13, 14, and 15. For the second round, leave it all the same and just check it all again. See that? It's loose. So as things snug down, it loosens other ones. You just go through and check it all again. Stage 1, stage 2, go up to the next. So 25 foot-pounds for the 10mm bolts. And 40, lock it in, and go back through the sequence again. I'm just going to check them at the same. So now everything requires a 90-degree turn to lock it in. 90 degree from here, straight up, or straight up, straight over. In the same sequence. Next, I'm going to install push rods and rocker arms. Saw this trick on a video. He took like a welding wire. I just have a straight extension. I'm gonna lay it across here. You've got short and long push rods. The long go on the exhaust side, which is gonna be the bottom, and the short to the intake side, which is the top. When you're looking at the rocker arms, The one that goes on the intake side has an eye. So one guy says you need to look in alongside the push rod and make sure that it is in the lifter, and you should be able to push it like that right there, and it kind of seat. One side of the rocker arm obviously sits on the spring. The other side is going to sit on that push rod. So again, before you use anything to zip these puppies down, make sure that the threads are actually threading and going. You don't want to strip it or anything like that. So. Down around 7. I'm close to 8, so I'm going to do 8. There we go, 8.25. Do the sequence and then bump it up to 18 foot-pounds. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All while double checking, making sure your push rods are in. Make sure your rocker arm is centered on the spring. And there's some play in the push rod, so it should just slide right over if you need to before you tighten it down. Go ahead and jump up to 18. Go back through the sequence. That's it, rocker arms are on. Go to the other side. I wasn't necessarily planning on putting all this on with the engine upside down, but I got to this point so I could put the oil pan and stuff on, but you have to have all this on to be able to bolt the oil pan to it. So here I am, but I'm almost done, then I can put the oil pan on.